30 days notice. That obviously didn't happen in this situation.
Now, a crisis in the classroom and the very latest on an insurance issue that forced 40 Rutherford County school buses out of service. School leaders say a required insurance notice never arrived, letting them know that the coverage was about to lapse. The district canceled its contract with one of its school bus providers after students transported by that company were placed for a short time on uninsured buses. The board's now looking at whether the breakdown could have been prevented. Fox 17 News' Madeline Nolan live tonight now with what she's learned. Madeline?
Yeah, Scott, this is about what went wrong and how they can prevent this from happening again in the future. Of course, this contract said that they were supposed to be notified 30 days in advance before any insurance coverage ended. However, they said they never got that. This week, the board voted to terminate URSA Major Logistics after the company lost insurance, sidelining about 39 buses and impacting thousands of students. But Tuesday night, the conversation turned to the contract.
It says each policy shall include a provision that it may not be canceled without the insurance carrier providing 30 days advance written notice to the board.
Board members wanted to know if that language is in the contract, why the district didn't know sooner. The board's attorney said that kind of warning is standard.
It's not unusual for insurance companies to fulfill that obligation. I'm not sure why that didn't happen in this case, but we did not receive, the school system did not receive notice of cancellation until the 20th at 2:30.
Without that warning, the district says it had to act immediately to avoid liability, and still, buses ran last Friday with thousands of kids on them uninsured. Now leaders say they may add their own safeguards instead of relying on insurers.
That's probably the easiest for us to control, is when they pick up their paychecks every month, just giving us another proof of insurance so that way that we know.
The owner of URSA Major Logistics apologized Tuesday night and said he only learned about the issue shortly before the district acted. In a statement provided to Fox 17 News today, the district said the insurance company involved is Rayborn Insurance. A district spokesperson said Rayborn did notify them the day the issue was discovered, as mentioned, and they are grateful and have been very helpful in assisting them with this situation. I also reached out to Rayborn Insurance for additional clarification and have not yet heard back. So tonight, the bigger question is, can the district put something in place that will make sure that they don't have to require a notice to make sure that they can keep thousands of students moving safely? Of course, this is something that we will continue to follow leading up to the next meeting, which is taking place next Thursday. Reporting live here in North Nashville, I'm Madeline Nolan, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.